software developer need to apply techniques, concept, and theory to carry out from beginning until the end of the development life cycle job. For example, very beginning, analyze, system analysis. You want to analyze, understand what the user wants, study what the user wants for the new system, what function, what feature, what report to be included, right? You want to know. You apply technique, fact gathering technique. What technique? Questionnaire, interview, ask them. Questionnaire, ask them to write, correct? If they cannot orally, they cannot speak, they can communication problem, right? Never mind, you write. Questionnaire, correct? If no, cannot also, observation. We observe, from how you handle that, I know what you want from the new system, correct? We already apply three techniques, correct? Okay, Then when we move to the system development, your friend did mention in the middle we have development, right? You do coding, correct? You also got some programming techniques, different programming techniques, You may apply different techniques, array, linked list, you study before, right? Record to develop the software, correct? Okay. Then after that you do testing. You apply different testing techniques, correct? Even though go to maintenance, what are the types of maintenance you have? You remember? If the program they report to you, your program got problem, come over to support and remove the problem. Okay, you go over and change your program. What is this maintenance? We call it. What maintenance? Okay, find out the answer now. Yes. What is that? Yeah, correct. What? Or no, they say, hey, your program okay, but then I want it better. Nowadays, you don't use these input devices, keyboard lah. Can you change and upgrade your system? Add in a new function. When the customer purchase an item, right? I don't need to key in what did they purchase. Scan in. Scan. So the product just scanning only. The program no problem one, but I want you to add in a new function by just scanning the product that purchased by my customer. What is this maintenance that you do?
Effective.
Or the customer will call you and talk about maintenance. Okay, I'll call you. The program no problem, but my company now set a new rules. Okay. Last time when you developed for me the time, I told you that if the salesman can achieve the sales target 100,000, then we let them enjoy 10% commission. But now we change. We want to encourage them to work harder. We increase to 20%. Can you change it for me? A new rules. All the salesmen, if achieve 100,000, then the commission is 20%. New policy. But then, if they didn't meet the target that you set, right? We minus 1,000 from their salary. Example, they set a new policy. Example, so you have to make maintenance. What is this maintenance? Can you tell me the last one? Adaptive maintenance. You remember you got one called maintenance? Correct. Then the one with error, the program got bug. Why you see hand cannot run, my report cannot print out? Corrective maintenance. You remember you studied this before? Correction, correct the errors and bugs. Remember? Okay. Another one is make it more perfect. The system is okay already. Add in new function. Perfective maintenance. Remember? Now we apply different methods to do maintenance. We got different methods of maintenance. Corrective maintenance, adaptive maintenance, correct, okay, and perfective maintenance. So when we perform maintenance also, we apply different techniques and methods, correct, to do it, okay? Clear? So I just let you know that throughout the whole semester, we're going to study theory, a lot of concept, methods, and techniques from beginning until the end of the development life cycle that a software engineer needs to apply to develop the software. Alright, so this is a quick introduction. Let the lecturer to introduce this in more detail, chapter 1. Okay, so but I cannot just finish this. Okay, you cannot. Management will ask. So because I stopped already the practical today, I cannot brief you the assignment question. You won't form team. I pick 2 tutorial questions, which I think is simple one. Okay, we're going to discuss. So meanwhile, I will brief class rep, I need class rep and assistant class rep to help me to prepare the tutorial name list. Tutorial name list, huh? Class rep, your assistant? Okay. Can both of you spend, today is on Tuesday, right? You got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday is 10, huh? If no, later Sunday. Okay, a few days, huh? About 4 to 5 days, right? Can you come up a list to assign, how many is 18, right? You come up 9 pairs, 2 in a pack, 2 in a pack, tutorial pack, you call it tutorial pack, huh? You let them choose. If 2 of them comfortable, right? You let them, I don't want to force, then at the end, then not happy and so on, then tutorial answer cannot be presented on time, right? Either you can assign, I let you make the decision. You come up 9 pairs, and these 9 pairs, you assign tutorial questions to them accordingly. Tutorial 1, we got 7 questions. Tutorial 2, I think 6 to 7 questions. So one week, 1 tutorial, right? Is about 5 to 7 pairs of students will actually prepare the answer, and then during the tutorial hour, 2 of them, if question 1, right, they'll present, I will comment and provide feedback. So the student in charge will jot down the feedback and update the answer accordingly. Is it okay? Of course, I have handled many years already for this subject. I still find out that there is a common place for the student to refer for tutorial answer, will help the student to prepare and do revision for final exam and midterm test. I have 1 year, I said, no need, up to you. So I find out that year the assignment, the result, performance not so okay. Because some students told me that, Miss, I capture the answer all written on the board, correct? Okay, whiteboard, I captured, but I didn't compile nicely. So for preparation for final exam, the time, right? The friend said, I also don't want to disturb my friend to look for answer. So I don't have the answer, full answer to do revision. So looking at some of the problems that friends mentioned, right? I create a Google Classroom. I make it as a common place for you to upload the skeleton of the answer. Not the full answer, keyword of the answer. So at least you know that, for this, the point is this, but further explanation, I have to explain by myself. Is it okay? Can, So can the list to be out by Saturday or Sunday? Once I check, okay, I agree already, I'll post it, then refer to the list. Your Monday, Tuesday, prepare the answer. Because Tuesday, basically next week we go back to the normal. Next Tuesday is practical hour, not tutorial. The tutorial is on Thursday, correct? So you prepare the answer 1 day before. 1 day before our tutorial class, the student pairs, 2 in a pair, they're in charge for that question. Please prepare your answer, the skeleton of the answer. Get ready in the Google Classroom. Total, we have tutorial 1 to tutorial 12. 12 sets. Later I open let you see. We only got 14 weeks. 1 week already gone. This week already gone. We only got 13 weeks. So, meaning to say 1 week, 1 tutorial. Next week we will fully discuss tutorial 1. And I will stand by week 14 for discuss midterm test answer. So it's exactly correct, okay? 12 week then, okay? Because this week no discussion. Yes, won't say no, 2. I pick 2 questions to briefly go through with you. Okay? Yeah, alright. If okay, class rep and assistant class rep can prepare, right? Can meanwhile, can you please refer to chapter 1? Read through, then we'll go through. Now it's only 11:25. 10 minutes, 35 we start to discuss. Pick 2 questions to discuss. This group, right? My Tuesday group. Group 2, right? So group 2, right? So now people know I haven't invited you all. Okay? Based on your attendance, please mark your attendance. I will invite you all confirm study on this. So invite you all this evening after my class, evening I will invite you all. Then you can see here tutorial question. I'll create another folder called tutorial answer prepared by student. Then okay, so tutorial question, I already have all the questions here up to 12. Tutorial 1 to tutorial 12, totally 12 steps here. So 7 questions. Other question I cannot start. I would like to spend 5 minutes to go through question 1 and question 5 with you. Question 1 and question 5. Can you all do your reading from chapter 1? Look for the answer. I randomly later pick 2 students. Or later I refer to the internet, the name list. So class rep, you take notes. Later on, who are the 2 students I call to answer question number 1, right? So this is a temporary pair for this hour only. After that, who they want to pair with is up to them. So today I fix only. Okay? Question 1 and question 5. Look for the answer in the as a start. As a software engineer, basically we will develop different type of software. We may develop application software like banking system, library system, point of sale system, correct, okay. HR system, accounting system, marketing system, and so on, all these applications. But if you don't like to develop application software, you can join those companies that develop OS, operating system. But this question is asking about application software. You can divide it into 2 types. Generic and bespoke, what is different? Look for the answer in lecture notes. Then the rest I skip. We go to question number 5. Question 5, as a software engineer, your working life is not easy, full of challenges and problems you need to face. Okay? And chapter 1, we did mention 3 commonly challenges that software engineer might face. Okay? What are they? Lecture notes to answer. 3, what are they? Read it out. So later on, I'm going to pick 5 students. First question, I pick 2 students. And then question 3, I pick 3 students. So class rep, we take notes. So for the tutorial 1, these 5 students, right, we don't assign them question anymore because I already assigned them. But chapter tutorial 2 onwards, you assign accordingly up to your parent. Is that okay? Yeah. You got so you are, today is it Thursday? Now. So need to dismiss, I think about at least 10 minutes early, 5 to 10 minutes early.
Is it okay to change the timetable?
I think my one also, my timetable, tomorrow one, I need to walk from K block, just now I asked who, L block. So I also got a problem. It's okay, I think, yeah. If can, you all come punctual, I think your group is not more than 20 students, right? 18, right? I think practical should be no problem. If your group got 20 over, then maybe I need to have additional consultation hour. I'm not enough time to check so many groups. 10 minutes really should be to walk to East Campus. But if you want to eat, then not enough time already. 30 minutes? Half an hour? No need lah. East Campus got shortcut one, right? Usually how you all go to East Campus? I think 10 minutes should be okay for. Should be okay lah, 10 minutes Yeah, no need half an hour. Half an hour can go to Jalan Genting Klang, the KFC there and makan already. No need lah, no need half an hour. Our campus is not like UM so huge, so big. No need. You try first. Only 1 hour I'm okay lah, but some week 2 onwards must be punctual. 1 hour because maybe first time unexpected. I also, this morning, I got a shock that for us, we got special pass one, we can go in easily. Student, you have to queue and so on to run off. Yes, yes. I also got shocked, wow, so long queue. Students still queuing. Now that time is 7:50, 10 minutes before my class. I'm using block K because we got those parking is reserved for lecturer one. Those student no parking one, I also don't know how to get the car park. Yes. Ask him to come. Please do not help to take attendance. Take your own attendance. Actually, we can trace one because if one you take for 2 attendance, right? We can trace one. So don't help your friends to take attendance. Anybody help anybody take attendance? Let me know now instead of I found it on, please. One student need mark attendance. Attendance 14, we got 15 here. 9, 10, 15. 15 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 14. Oh, you did mark? I haven't, yes. Please mark your attendance. All of you come from foundation background, diploma, UEC, A-levels, different background. Different. Any UEC student? Yes. Well, so many, majority. May I know previously, 2 years ago already, we found UMT, not new here, means diploma, promoted from diploma? Yes, one only, the only one. Okay. Foundation, a lot. Foundation also a lot. Anybody transfer from other colleges or university, credit transfer? No. A-level? No. UEC, so majority here is UEC and also foundation. Diploma one. Is it? Only you, Okay. The answer you can get from here, but then we are not going to directly get the answer from here. We try to make it more clear. Question 1, just now, so find out. Please read this slide. Spend some minutes to read this slide. Okay, 11 from done with that. Alright. Very quickly. Okay, another one will come from here. The answer for question number 5. 3 key challenges of the software engineering. We go through. I hope to finish this 10 minutes before 12 so that you have enough time to go to another venue. Is that okay? Okay? Alright. Shall we start from question number 5 first? Okay. I'll call 3 students. Pass, right? jot down their name lor. So they already handle question tutorial 1 in a pair of 3. But next time don't pair them in 3. I just pair in 2 only. Okay, only for today. So don't involve them anymore, assign any more questions in tutorial 1 for these 3 students. Okay, I randomly call students from here based on the attendance. Make life easier, I take the last 3 students from the list. Last 3 students in the list. Hui Ting, Hong Wick, and Ming Xuan. Is it correct? Yeah. Class rep, take notes. These 3 students already assigned tutorial 1, question number 5. Okay, I'll start with Hui Ting first. After Hui Ting, Hong Wick, and then Ming Xuan. Is it okay? Okay, yes. Latecomer, please mark your attendance. Okay, no problem. But next time don't. Again, I'm not allowed to put time anymore. Okay. Question number 5. Ask you what are the 3 challenges right now. The 3 challenges of this question. What are the 3 challenges or problems of software development that are likely to be faced by software engineer? Okay. So this will be the answer. We start from the last one, you can pick any point based on your understanding. Your understanding, you explain, I will help you. And tomorrow your 10 lecture will make you more clearer about what is this. Okay.
Which does it suitable for different?
So it is a challenge for you to develop a software which is yes, very flexible. You need to develop a software, a banking software, maybe a library software, or point of sale software. You do not know what software your customer asks you to develop. But the software that you develop needs to be very flexible. Can be installed and supported by different platforms, different hardware. Your customer may use different hardware. Can be use different OS. Windows version, different window operating system, window version can be also supported. Are you okay? So the keyword over here is flexible. You need to develop a software which is very, very flexible. Can be supported, can be installed, supported in different hardware, then you give a number of hardware, and different OS operating system. For example, different version of OS, different DBMS. You learn Oracle? Maybe the company is not using Oracle, it's using another database system, so it can be also supported. Are you okay? Flexible. Alright, next student, I follow the list, second last from the list 17, on big, you pick 1 point, middle point already picked by your friend, so you got first and last point to explain based on your understanding. The last one, not easy. Take the last one. Okay, what is this? Explain. What is this challenge? Oh, what is this challenge? You as a software engineer.
This challenge often times for large and complex systems.
The challenge over here that you are facing is you have to develop a large and complex system. The time given is very short time. It's a challenge, right? Your customer asks you to develop a very large and complex system and not allow you to spend years to develop. You can just develop, I need you to be up before Chinese New Year. So from now, before Chinese New Year, you still got 2 months time on it. So very short development time, correct now. So is it a challenge to you? Yeah. Very large, very complex system. But the time given for me to develop is very short, correct, okay? Some more, another keyword, quality. Make sure some more short time, right? And I have to develop a system, no error, no bugs, high quality software. Is it a challenge for you? Yes. Understand? Can I already given an example, right? Yeah. Okay. Good. Last point. Of course, in detail tomorrow your 10 lecture, okay, with a head that I go through as an introduction. Mention, right? S-U-N, okay? You have no choice, you have to explain this challenge now. Because the last 2 already picked by your friend. Firstly, before you explain, you understand what is legacy software first. What is legacy software? we explain the blue color term first, legacy software. Maybe you Google search now, what is legacy software? Anybody can help out? What is the meaning of legacy software? It is referring to a old, very old software. Old software. So when the time you use the word old software, usually is written in very old programming language. Maybe the software is older, the age is older than you. You're about 20, 21, 20, 22. But maybe this software already 30 years ago, developed 30 years ago. So using a very old technique and old programming language to develop. Are you familiar with that language? No, you're familiar with Java, C#, but it is not written in Java and C#. It's written in a programming language is totally, you don't have idea, you don't know, correct, okay? So is it a challenge for you? Yes, so a challenge for you because you're asked to maintain. Maintain means that you have to open the code, you have to make changes, maintain the code. Is it a challenge? Yes, because you're not familiar with this old programming language that used to develop this old software. It's a challenge. You are asked to maintain and update the software. Oh, what you need to do? You have to learn how and pick up the software. It's a challenge. But you learn how and pick up another keyword mentioned, cost. They won't send you for training. The company won't send you for training. The company won't invite trainers come over to train you up to train to learn up that old programming language. So you have to learn up, you have to pick up the software by yourself because they don't want to spend money on this part, correct? Okay, excessive cost. Are you okay? Is it a challenge? Yes, this is a challenge. Huh? You are asked to develop an old software to maintain and update an old software, correct? Okay, where your excessive cost is not allowed. But after maintaining, you must make sure the software still can continue working well, can support the business operations. No problem, no error. Are you okay? Can, right. Okay, for further detail, I let the lecturer to discuss as a start. Basically, you'll face these three challenges. Delivery challenge, flexible system is heterogeneity challenge. Another challenge is talk about legacy challenge. All software, okay. We still got 5 more minutes because someone raised it that we need at least 10 minutes to walk to East Campus, right? To move to us. It's today class, right? Yes, yes, 10 minutes. So remind me, every time remind me 10 minutes early for this group. At least you're 10 minutes early, alright? Alright. I think practical okay. Tutorial a bit rough. Practical should be no problem. Okay, it's checking okay. Every week. For practical, usually I brief you what you need to do. Then you do next week. I come over to check you got progress or not. And then if you really got